Hi guys, I'm back on Plasma here, and I just noticed the last video I made was again with one channel, and it's actually not that difficult, so I thought let's share it, but because, well, it was actually that difficult. So, knowledge is everything. I went here and I clicked here. So the microphone is good. It's set at 90 at 100%, so this is the microphone I'm using to record everything, and it's on. It's not muted, right? It's on, it's muted, not muted 100%. But where it was hidden, the setting was in here. And then I looked at this thing, and this particular thing was like that. Why and how? I mean, I must have done something, but it was like this, which meant right was working just fine, and left was actually working too, but you couldn't really hear it because, well, the right is just louder, right? So setting it back to 100%, then maybe, I think you will hear it. If I do it like this, you will hear the sound in one ear, and if I go back like this, I suppose you'll hear it in the other ear, right? Just saying, the knowledge is there, that's it, and that's what happened. I don't know how, but here's a solution. How it happened, I don't know, but we fixed it now for the future videos. All right, cheers.